Another thing about it is math, and the kind of math you need to do this. I don't use a computer. I don't have a computer. I really was doing great math. I remember 7 times 7 was 41, and 9 times 9 is 81, and 12 times 12, I think it was 144. So it was some big number anyway. I had that one down cold. And I said, this is great. I love this stuff. And the barge left St. Louis going at 8 miles an hour, and the train left Pittsburgh, and this stuff is easy. I remember one day, I think it was 9th grade, it was a grim day, somebody introduced cosine. God, that day, I mean, remember cosine? I mean, has anybody used cosine the last couple of years? I mean, let's have a show of hands. How many of you have used cosine the last 6 months? But I remember tangent and cotangent. Why would you want to know about tangent? And then remember the area under the curve. I mean, remember that crazy calculus area under the curve? I mean, what the hell would you want to measure area under curve for? That is such garbage. You don't need this for the stock market. If you can add 8 and 8 and get fairly close to 16, that's all you need. You say 400 million in debt, no equity, no cash, losing money, forget it. They get 300 million in cash, no debt, 200 million in net worth. They're losing 10 million a quarter, but they'll be around. That's all you need. That's all you need. That is not that hard. If you made it through 5th grade math, you can handle this stuff. And I had a roommate in the Army, and it's a story I always remember. He was talking about, he went to this very good school in the South. I won't tell you the name of it, but it's in Atlanta, and it rhymes with Roger Reck. And they had this, my hero at the school was a very good football player. This is my friend, my roommate telling me the story about this guy. He was a freshman at this great school. And he'd go to the line of scrimmage, and they'd change the play. He couldn't figure this out. I don't know if you realize how complicated football is. Half the plays are changed at the line of scrimmage. It's about 300 plays. You go there thinking it's a run to the right. It turns out it's a screen pass to the left, or it's a draw. It's all the blocking assignments are changed. All the passing's different. You have to instantly think, uh-oh, new play. What do I do in this new play? Just like that, and do it. He could not handle these deals. He says, give me the ball, I'll tote it. And he'd go for about 8 yards. He was really good at this. Now, this is not why he's my hero. The reason he's my hero, in a classroom about this size, his freshman year, he asked the question, does X always equal 7? Now, he never made it to the second semester. He never made it to the varsity. He never made the NFL because that damn X, he never could figure out X. Now, I always thought at the UN they could resolve what the hell X equaled. They could say, if it's 247 and a quarter, they just finally resolve what X was. We could save all this time and do something useful. You don't need it in the stock market. But,